I'd like to show you a painting.
A painting?
Of someone I'm looking for. A girl who apparently looked like me.
Indeed, she does look like you.
Since the death of Mom,
And the girl in the picture has given me a reason to go on, like some kind of calling, something to hang my hopes on.
It was one summer evening that the whole story of your painting began. A group of scientists were staying at the refuge to prepare for an expedition to some faraway place in the east.
you were my last hope.
Like anything else in life, there has to be some compromise to get what one desires.
It's like this painting has chosen me, but maybe I'm just kidding myself.
There will always be a train for you.
In any case, I promised Katusha I would find her.
And we'll find out who she is, or was.